Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I am at Wade Water Park and everybody been asking for Paris. Here you have her.
So yeah, screenshot them with them and ask for you. Like actually.
Hey guys, welcome back to the motherfucking channel. We're outside.
Everybody asks for you. Where is Paris? So see there. Oh, me forgot it went
Y'all gonna race?
a race.
Yeah, I'm about to video y'all.
But can't win Drew, you know, so me fat.
So, no, just run. What is them a race? On your marks, get set, go! Bomba clock on your fast, goody! Yeah! Come on. Drew, where you there? Drew.
Win the race there now, me just win the race. But that shit scratch, grass scratch. Scratch out my bum. You got a wicked? She knows her. Where am I going? The guys call me back out the door.
You're about to go outside with cock up. What you doing?
Eating the fufu.
Yeah, lamb fufu. Why lamb fufu? You gotta do a mukbang on lamb fufu.
Yeah. Me tell us I'm here for
You see I'm wet up, I'm awake now, I'm feel a bird.
I soon start work on Friday and Saturday. That's Monday to Thursday.
Okay.
Watch out. He's a wait.
Kino, wait!
He not hear nothing. Come on, so. That shit is.
I was trying to get to a video.
That shit is a mess.
Don't say, come on the way.
Hey.
Everybody going to
What's up?
Ready?
Over there. Wait. Olympics. Watch out, man. We're gonna fight. Come on. Watch out. Take a shot. Watch out. Evil.
You never go back to start. Kino, go.
Alright, so good.
Go on, go. You gotta make it through. Woo, guys. Alright, that's so sweet. Come one more round, me miss. Come again. So guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I said if Paris crazy one more time. I said some flick chuck and dive Paris do down this or something. I'm tell the people them put one lip of soap on it, you know. I not run them Drew there. Watch her Drew. Listen, she not love her life. She right there, so you see she still up in her socks. Everybody knows a socks just be sliding down. Comment down below if you don't know a socks sliding. And guys, more want to comment on the outside too. I want y'all to comment on the outside of the video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Share my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Curry Goodaz. Watch Paris. She evil. So far down. Wicked girl. Yes, people, get into the video. Waterman. Guys, they was trying to convince me to go down on this thing to slide, but you don't know say Curry not have no good back. Curry don't have no good back. So me would have never go on this. Yes, people, I could have never go down on this because my back is not good. Big up the original Waterman. Waterman in my life. This is a test game. Now they was playing to test it out. Guys, just as them about to start the game, I'm going there. The gas done. The gas done, people. Listen to me. I'm glad they never done on me in there, cause trust me, you don't want this thing to out down with you.
So watch Paris
I
and
can't
dance.
actually
I'm mad
hurt
girl
yourself.
that watch my
Batty
bottom
look
outside
like. Batty.
people. So yes guys, we are lining up to do the tug and war. Male against female. Well, of course y'all know that female is stronger than male. These niggas need to stop eating these McDonald's and get some yum and stuff. But tell us that the man never fired not eat no good food, you know, because them eat out too much. But you see, I like strong body me eat a lot of good food. You understand? But people, at the first race, it have one female extra, but still it look bad. Cause look how the man them body strong. Look how them big and strong. You think them could have pulled way down? On a crazy. People just watch and see what they're going. People that play what 2, 4, 5 and what 2, 4, 5. The dirty boy them have 5. Let me see if one more somebody come on your side. Let me see if one more somebody will come on our side or something like that. Let me see what I go on right there. So, cause people, me do the race and them they say have more weed than them. But some mama right there so at the end of the rope. I'm just a rewatch the video. Mama there at the end of the rope right there so you know. And it have 2, 3, 4. A 4 man may I see right there so. Like one of them gone. Blood clot 2, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so it's actually 4 man and 6 woman. So yes, anyway, we're more than them, but we still win them. People, but not laugh. Jesus, I'm tired. I'm close to you. No, people. And I see what I'm going. No. Whoa, I'm so pull them down. We pull them down. The man them still strong. And them this and them that. The boy them feeble. The boy them feeble. Female is stronger than
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I don't want to shot. Come on.
we will.
But if y'all want it, y'all can have
We
it.
can go for it. Me go get it.
Yeah, 2 of them.
People, me not tell no lie. When they in the grass and them something they dirty up here. It's a good thing they work with additional clothes and stuff. Because people, they say guys, when me reach at the next spot, let me change out everything, you know. Me not know which part the glass is them. The glass them from out of the eyeglass they turn. I don't know where it go. If it go left, if it go right, or if it go center. You know?
Again, I need y'all to release the rope. Thank you.
Guys, right here we are actually contemplating what we are doing. Sorry about the video and how the video turns. I'm really sorry about that, guys. I don't know how comes it's set that way there. You see me, but anyway, I don't get the understanding of what is going on. You see me, I don't understand what I'm going on. I'm not going to
Fuck, I don't know. clot.
Then guys, more want to tell me, him love film life. You know see how the man chopped down in a stone. So, I'm sure I'm gonna feel pain today. Today we are doing it. You see how Paris gone down on her foot, she jump on her foot, you know. We so call her to see if her foot alright, cause she must in a pain. I'm gonna ask you. Watch how she run up. Fatty run. Watch her. Woo! Yeah. The boy switch team. At the relay. Him switch team, people. Yes, people. It was fun. We had lots of fun. You understand? Comment on the outside, guys, if you guys miss me. Let me know if you miss me. Miss my live and all that. You guys do the comment on the outside to let me know what's going on. So yes guys, this was something different. It's actually a party, but not really a party. It's more like, well, it's a fun day party. You know guys, something different where you could actually have fun and everybody get to encounter with everyone. You know, drink some liquor while you're playing the game, get drunk, get a little tipsy. You see me? This was well needed for me guys. I know a lot of you guys miss me, especially Volcano official. I know Volcano miss me off of YouTube. But sometimes guys, you gotta take a little time for yourself to deal with stuff. What you know? Why? I feel it. I feel it. She get a raw slick. I know she feel that. I do a grass underneath it. Drop like a breadfruit. She dropped like a breadfruit. People watch Paris in her blue ear right over this. Paris a mad girl, you know?
Yes guys, if you reach this far into this video and you like this video, please remember to do so. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share my channel. Share it on the community, to the Facebook. Share it on WhatsApp. Share it on IG. Everywhere guys. Social media platform. Let someone know about life with Curry Gooders. Watch idleness down there, so people. Boy, them a soak down the place with water bag, you know. I say one of them nearly slapped me across my face. So guys, this was just adult fun, which I had lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of fun. Yes, this was needed. Yes, I didn't need this guys. Guys, so you have 876 media down there, so when I hear me about them, I tell them so they need a waterproof camera. I don't know if their camera is waterproof. Hear my annoying laugh. Oh man, my laugh is a Grammy. Before them even reach! We catch that! We catch the little arm get! Guys, the only thing that I'm mad about is that the music was playing in my background and I have to do and voice over, because trust me, y'all will really get all the reaction of everybody screaming, laughing, running. But by the look of the video, you guys can see that everybody was having fun. They don't know adult fun. This, oh my god guys, I have so much fun. I run right this way, people. I run right there. So yeah, mother have to run because trust me, them start blowing some water balloon off for me. You see Paris, she not easy, you know. She have to come on people. She turn up around corner and fling something off for people. But yes people, it was fun. It was so fun. Baby Nayoka, I want to know what's up. Baby Nayoka, give me a da 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 na na da na na na. Guys, if you reach this part in this video, I want to say a big thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye. I love you guys.